Hello everyone, and I hope all of you are doing great and fine. So basically, from today onwards, we are going to start this series for TCS Nqt 2026. And whether you are a graduate of 2024 or 2025 or 2026, this video is highly essential for all of you. And from this series, I'm going to directly jump on questions and explain you the concepts through it. I'm not going to make you bore by explaining the theory, formulas, and all. I will directly jump onto the questions, and through these questions, I'll be giving you a high clarity of the topics used in the questions. Okay, so let's just not waste time and directly moving this particular question. That before retiring from his business, Mr. Sharma decided to distribute his total savings worth rupees 4,80,000 among his three daughters in the ratio of this. Then we have to find the largest share among the three proportions. So basically, this question is from ratio and proportions, as you can see. So what is given? The ratio, which is 1 by 12, 1 by 18, and 1 by 36. So in such type of questions, what we need to do is we have to make the denominator same. So we have to make the denominator same. So let's make all of them as 36. Okay, so for making 36, what we need to do? 12 3s are 36. So we'll just multiply by 3 in both the numerator and the denominator. Similarly, in the second part, we have to multiply with 2 because 18 2s are 36. So 2 upon 36, and lastly here we have to multiply with only 1, right? So it is 1 by 36 because it's already 36, so we don't have to multiply with any other factor apart from 1. So we have multiplied with 1. Now the denominators became the same. So we are having the ratio as 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Now the question says we have to find out the largest share. Largest share, who will hold the largest share? Obviously this one. Assuming, let's say one person is having three biscuits, one is having two, and one is having one, the largest share is the one with having three biscuits. So this daughter is having three biscuits, or we can say that three part of the total. So we will write it like 3 divide by the total, that is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, of what? Of the total amount, 4,80,000. So we have to just simply now calculate 6 8s are 48, and then rest the zeros and multiply this with 3, and you will be getting 2,40,000 as your result. So this is the option B, and this is the solution of this particular question. So here we have used the basic fundamentals of ratio and proportion, and this was a very basic. Let's do this next question. The question says, when 35% of a number, let the number be x, is added to 52, then the result is the number itself, means the number which we have taken, that is x, and we have to find that number, which means we have to find x. Okay, so it's a very simple question. So 35% can be written as 0.35, right? Because 35% means 35 by 100, which is 0.35. X plus 52 equals to x itself. So let's just put this value to the right side. X minus 0.35x, it would become, now x minus 0.35 x means 1, x minus 0.35x, how much it would be? It would be 0.65x, right? And here it is 52. Now you have to calculate the value of x, so x will be 52 by 0.65. So just remove the decimal and you can simply write 100, right? As we are having the two places, so we have put two zeros here, so it is 100. Now 13 5s are 65, 25s are 100, 13 4s are 52, right? And 24s are 80. So the answer is 80. So the correct option is option C, 80. Let's move to the next question. Now the next question is from a very important topic, boats and trains, right? So let's write the data we are given with. First, a train 200-meter long, which means the length of the train is given, which is 200-meter. Great. It is running at a speed of this. So we are given with the speed of the train as 68 km per hour. Great. And also, it is saying that in what time will it pass a man running at speed of this. So we are given with the speed of the man as well, 8 km per hour. And it is asking for the time, so we have to calculate the time, right? And also it is provided that they are in the same direction. So whenever we are talking about same direction, remember this very important point. Whenever the direction is same, you have to add the speeds, and whenever the direction is opposite, you have to find the difference of the speeds. Now here the train is moving in the same direction of the man, or we can say the man is moving in the same direction of the train, so we'll just subtract their speeds. So what formula we'll be using? You know that speed into time equals to distance, right? This is what we are going to use here. Now speed, there is a speed of train, that is st, and I have already told you कि whenever they are moving in the same direction we have to take the difference. So st minus s of man, this is speed, multiply time, we have to calculate the time, equals to the distance. Here the distance is the length which is given as 200 meter, right? Don't complicate the question. The question is very easy. Just use your brain power and act smart. So st is given as 68 minus speed of man is 8. Now also what we have to keep in mind is the speed is given in kilometer per hour, but the answer is to be have to be in seconds, right? Here it is 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 12 seconds, and 18 seconds, right? Okay, so we have to multiply with 5 by 18. You already know this. To convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. Multiply t equals to 200. So 68 minus 8 is 60 into 5 by 18 into t equals to 200. Now all you have to do is calculate the value of t, which is 200 into 18 divided by 60 into 5, right? So it is 5, 40 times, cancel the 0, 6 3s are 18 and 4 3s are 12. So the answer is 12 seconds, which is option C. Okay, the answer is 12 seconds. So it was a very simple question. Let's move on to the next. Now let's do this question. This is from the topic upstream and downstream. So our boat travels 18 kilometer upstream. So the distance given is 18 kilometer in 90 minutes. So the time is 90 minutes. Speed of the stream is also given as 3 kilometer per hour, and we have to calculate the speed of the boat in still water. Okay. Now the answer is in kilometer per hour, so we have to convert this time from minutes into hour. So you can simply divide by 60, right? 1 minute is equivalent to 1 by 60 of hour. So you'll divide 60. You'll divide the 90 by 60. So you'll be getting 9 by 6, which is 3 by 2 hour. Now we will apply very simple formula, that is speed into time equals to distance. Now the boat is traveling upstream. So when it is traveling upstream, we will subtract. So SB, that is speed of boat, minus speed of the stream. So when the boat is moving upstream, will subtract, and when it is moving downstream, we'll add. Into time. Time is 90 minutes, which is equivalent to 3 by 2 hour, equals to distance is 18. Now you have to calculate the value of speed of the boat. So speed of the boat minus speed of the stream is 3 kilometer per hour into 3 by 2 equals to 18. Now it can be written as SB equals to 18 multiply 2 by 3 plus 3. Okay. Now it will be 3 6 are 18, 6 2 are 12. So 12 plus 3 and it is 15. So the answer is 15 kilometer per hour, which is option D, right? So this was a very simple question, and we are done with this question. Let's move to the next one.